Welcome to this lesson on the composition of transformations. Today, we are going to learn what happens when you perform more than one geometry move on a single shape, one after another. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a composition? Simply put, it is a sequence of transformations. You take a shape, apply a rule like a rotation, and then take that new result and apply another rule like a translation. The final result is the image of the composition. Notation can be tricky here. When you see T circle R of P, it is easy to read it left to right. But in math, function notation is read from right to left. You perform the transformation closest to the point P first. So here, you do R first, and then T. Let's visualize this process. You start with your preimage. You apply the first rule to get an intermediate image, which we often call P'. Then, you apply the second rule to that intermediate image to get your final result, P'. It is a chain reaction. Let's look at a concrete example. Suppose we want to reflect a triangle over the x-axis and then translate it 4 units to the right. First, we flip the blue triangle to get the red one. Then, we slide the red triangle to the right to get the final green one. A common question is, does the order matter? Let's test it. In case A, we translate then rotate. In case B, we rotate then translate. As you can see, the final red shapes end up in completely different places. So yes, the order definitely matters. There is a special type of composition called a glide reflection. This is strictly a translation followed by a reflection. The key here is that the line of reflection must be parallel to the direction of the slide. It creates a pattern that looks like footprints. Here is a cool theorem. If you reflect a shape over one line and then reflect it again over a second parallel line, the result is exactly the same as a single translation. The distance the shape moves is twice the distance between the two lines. Similarly, if you reflect a shape over 2 intersecting lines, the result is a rotation. The center of rotation is where the lines cross, and the angle of rotation is double the angle between the 2 lines. To wrap up, remember that a composition is just a series of moves. Always pay attention to the order, especially with notation. And keep in mind those special theorems about double reflections. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.